Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch HBO Max in UK. So let's get started. So since HBO Max is not available in United Kingdom, then I'll show you a solution on how you can watch HBO Max even if you are in United Kingdom. So first thing that we would want to do is to get a VPN. And what I recommend is NordVPN because this has been tested many times already and it has always worked and bypassing streaming platforms. So you can get here at nordvpn.com, and the only downside that I can see here is if you don't want to spend money, it doesn't have a free plan available for you, so you really would have to invest. Right here, you need to spend a few bucks right here in order for you to get NordVPN because this is essential in bypassing in order for you to watch HBO Max in the UK. So once you have your NordVPN set up, just like this one right here, what you would need to do next is that you would want to clear your browser cache. So you simply need to go here and to the settings of your browser. In my case, I am using Chrome. And then from here, you would want to go into your privacy right here, privacy and security, and go to site settings and just go to site settings right here and view permissions and data stored across sites. Click here and search for Max. And then just clear the data right here for max.com, which is the website of HBO Max. So you might ask, what if you are doing this in the app? Then what you can do is that you can try deleting and then reinstalling the app. And then after that, you don't want to use it yet. You would want to use your VPN first. So from here, you would want to select the server right here that is available in. So you can search here in where is Max available. So in the Asia Pacific, these are the countries. Europe, these are the countries right here. Latin America, and so on. So in this case, we'll just choose the United States. So from here, we're going to go to NordVPN, choose the United States right there. And then from here, we will now be able to watch HBO Max right here in the United States. And then as you can see, it is now in the USD currency, which means we are now located in United States as detected by HBO Max. And we will now be able to watch it from here. So yeah, that is what you would need to do in order for you to watch HBO Max, even if you are in UK. Thank you for watching.